You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. Good morning dear students. In our today's video we are going to know about a special topic for paragraph writing, and our today's topic is my favorite pet, Parrot. You can use this paragraph for writing about any your favorite pet. So be ready and know about this paragraph for 10 lines. Number 1. When animals or birds keep in our home for pleasure and not for food or work, they are called pets. Number 2. There is a pet also in my house. It is a parrot. Number 3. My favorite pet is parrot. It is found in green color. Number 4. Its beak is red and curved, and there is a black circle on its neck. Number 5. It has 2 legs and 2 big feathers. Number 6. The parrot eats all small fruits, vegetables and grains. Number 7. The favorite food of parrot is red chilies. Number 8. The parrot is only bird that can mimic human speech. Number 9. This is the reason that people say this bird very intelligent. And this is the last line, that is number 10. People say the name of parrot Mithu with affection. So this is 10 lines about my favorite pet, parrot. We will meet again in next video with a new topic and with an interesting knowledge. So for that time I want to wish you all have a great day. Goodbye.